Beautiful habitats, vast ecosystems, endless variety. The ocean will no longer bear its wondrous fruits unless great changes are made towards a sustainable future, and that future is of aquaculture. Today, commercial fishing industries are impacting the ocean far worse than anyone could possibly surmise. And although there are many problems with sanitation and expense, aquaculture can be perfected into a great enterprise that will not only protect the ocean from overfishing and continued destruction, it may well someday feed the world. Commercial fishing is not sustainable. Efficiency is only disallowing the recovery of the ocean. Since the 1950s, only 10% of the world's big fish stock is left in the wild today. How are commercial fishermen so efficient, and how are they so devastating? By using an ancient technique called trawling, they pretty much tear up everything in their paths. Streaks that run along the bottom here are representation of the weights that they use to hold the nets down that reach to 20 to 30 miles long. And as you could see, they've picked up all of the plant life in the area. What used to be a cornucopia of plants that was critical for the development of species in the ocean is now mud. And like a field after a season's harvest, these tracks are the only thing that is left. Jeremy Jackson, a coral reef ecologist, depicted eradication to the equivalent to the entire area of all forests that have ever been cut down in the history of the planet. And this has been done in the last 100 to 150 years. Bottom dwellers aren't the only ones that fall victim to trawling. Also, sharks, turtles, and other fish are examples of bycatch, which are animals that are caught in these nets that aren't specifically caught to be sold, so they're thrown back dead into the water like trash. Aquaculture doesn't have this problem. It uses 100% of what it produces. There's no bycatch and destruction of the ocean floor. There are cons to aquaculture, but they have been fixed. Huge amounts of pollution, inhumane, like a corporate chicken coop, if you will, fecal matter, accumulation of nitrogen and phosphorus. These are all huge problems that aquaculture has faced in the past 15 years of development. But a man off the coast of Panama, a fish farmer, pioneer, and eco-friendly consciousness, he formed a fish farm for cobia in the ocean. By using the process of dilution, he is completely natural and sustainable. And researchers from Miami have shown that he does not pollute whatsoever in his farms. So this very well could be the solution to our blue revolution of aquaculture, but it must be enacted expeditiously, or our beautiful ocean will be no more than salty water and muddy terrain. Thank you.